Lucy, is it Pooh Bear's first time eating food? Oh, are you going to feed him some?
I'm going to mix it.
You're mixing it up for him? Oh.
Want some Pooh Bear?
Does he like it?
Yeah.
He does?
He does.
Does he want more?
Yeah.
Now what are you doing? Are you finding food on the floor? Where is the food, Lucy? What's that?
Right in the box.
Right in the box? Oh, lucky Pooh Bear having his first meal. Moments after Ben's first meal.